So friends, in today's video, I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of Motorola Inverter AC remote in very detailed and simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the power button on the remote. With this you can turn AC on and off. After that, the next button is temperature up-down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will decrease. The lower the temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase and AC cooling will start reducing. Its highest temperature is 31 degrees. If you just want cooling and also want to reduce electricity bill, then you should use 26. This is a very good temperature for our body also. And if you feel more cooling in 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees. And if you are feeling hot in 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. Next button after that is turbo. Generally it happens that whenever we turn on the AC, the compressor starts in 3 minutes, but by pressing the turbo button, the compressor starts in 1 minute. You are coming from outside to your room and your room is very hot. You are feeling very hot in the room and you want quick cooling, then you can use the turbo button. In this the room cools very quickly. Next button is eco. By pressing the eco button, your AC will start running in 26 degree and the speed of indoor fan will start running in auto, which will save energy in your AC. After that, the next button is fan. The air coming from the indoor unit is for the speed of that fan. It works in 6 speed. Now the fan speed is in auto. Now the fan speed is in silent. Now the fan speed is in low. Now the fan speed is in medium. Now the fan speed is on high. Now the fan speed is in turbo. You can control the fan speed according to yourself. If you want to chill the room quickly, then set the fan speed to high or turbo. After that, the next button is mode. By pressing the mode button, you will see the mode. Now in cool mode. Currently in dry mode. Currently in fan mode. Currently in heat mode. Currently in auto mode. Now I will tell you the details of the mode in detail in very simple words. After that, press the mode button again, then cool mode will come. In cool mode, all the buttons on the remote of the AC will work, and in this mode the AC will cool. And in cool mode the AC will do the cooling according to you. After that, the next mode is dry. You can use dry in rainy season. There is a lot of humidity and sticky heat in rainy season, so using AC in dry removes that moisture. After that, the next mode is fan. The fan will not provide AC cooling, only the fan of the indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want AC cooling and you just want to use AC fan, then you can use fan mode. Next mode is heat. Use of heat mode in cold weather. But you should note that your AC is hot and cool model, only then your AC will work in heat mode. Heat mode will operate from 26 to 30 degrees and help heat your room. After that, press the mode button again, then auto mode will come. In auto mode, your AC will work automatically and the AC will work as per its own. If you feel that the cooling is more or less in auto mode, then you can also increase or decrease the cooling by using the temperature up and down button. Next button is vertical swing. This is the button for the front swing of the AC. It works in up and down. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room. And wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button your swing flap will stop there. Next button is horizontal swing. This is the button for the swing inside the AC. It works from right to left. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room. Next button is option. Many functions are given in the option button. Sleep, timer, I feel, health, mildew, display, 8 degrees centigrade function is given. Now let me tell you how you can use these functions. Now note that whatever function you have to set. So by pressing the option button you can change the temperature from up-down button. Go to that function and press the option button. That function will open. Now first of all let me tell you about sleep. By pressing the sleep button, the AC becomes silent and the use of sleep button is very good. Like suppose you have kept the temperature of your AC at any temperature, then every 2 hours the temperature will automatically increase by 1 degree and you will not have trouble sleeping due to extreme cold. Now if you want to use the timer then press the option button again and go to timer by using temperature up and down button and press the option button again. So the timer function will turn on. After that you can set a timer for half an hour to 24 hours. As soon as you set the timer time, the timer will be set automatically in your AC. Now you have to use I feel, then press the option button again. And go to I feel by using temperature up and down button and press the option button again. So the I feel function will turn on. Awesome feature designed for your comfort. Generally, there is a sensor in the indoor unit itself which measures the temperature around the indoor unit, not the temperature of the place where you are sitting. In some models of Motorola, if I feel function is given, then there are 2 sensors in that model. A sensor is installed in the indoor unit and the second sensor is installed in the remote. If your room is big and you are not getting proper cooling, so you can press the I feel button. By pressing the I feel button, the sensor in the remote activates the temperature around you and automatically adjusts the AC temperature for your convenience. Now if you want to use health then press the option button again and go to health from temperature up and down button and press the option button again. So the health function will turn on. In health mode, the AC unit tries to clean the air by removing dust particles and germs. Now you have to use mildew, then you press the option button again and go to mildew by temperature up down button and press the option button again. Then the mildew function will be on. This function enables the air conditioner to blow air up to about 15 to dry the internal parts of the indoor unit to avoid mildew when the air conditioner is turned off. Mildew function will only work in dry cool. Now you have to use display, then you press the option button again and go to the display using the temperature up and down button and press the option button again. So the display function will turn on. Pressing the display button will turn off the display of your AC, but your AC will remain on. This button can be used only to turn off the AC display light. Now you want to use 8 degrees Celsius, then press the option button again. And the temperature goes to 8 degrees Celsius by up and down button. And press the option button again. So the 8 degrees Celsius function will turn on. This function is for hot and cool models. If it is too cold in your area, if the air conditioner is standby, this function starts heating the air conditioner automatically when the indoor temperature is equal to or lower than 8. It returns to standby if the temperature is equal to will come or will heat the room by bringing the temperature to more than 18 degrees Celsius. Hope you have understood the information given by me. Then do like my video.